Hey guys peeps, welcome back to SNAIL TV. Well, this is my new workshop. So finally acquired something after about 3 months of absolutely hell, back and forth of trying to find something, and unfortunately just couldn't find anything. So but we've got something now, and this is what it is. So this is actually where I did start at when I did come from the other place, and I had that little tiny corner. I've now taken over the whole place. So made some awesome changes. I got some new projects, got a new car, got all new stuff. So I need to show you guys lots of stuff and lots of new stuff. But this is where it is. So as you can see behind me, we've made some changes to our stereo system. It's gone a little bit too crazy, but these are all things that I did have on video for a little bit, but then I didn't bother filming it because I was too busy quickly just moving everything out of this workshop and making it all one. So behind me, as you can see, this is now my stereo. That there is my toolbox, and the toolbox itself that does actually have a radio and a couple of speakers in it. It's always done it, but at the old place I want to make something louder, and so I stopped using this thing, and we've made you guys seen it, that big display, one of my very first videos at that place, and what got me in trouble for a little bit there. And with a couple of subs and whatnot, but it was never loud enough for me, really. I've always liked things a little bit louder. So I thought, I didn't sell any of the stuff. I've stripped it, taken everything out because I had a big power supply and whatnot in that. That was really handy for stuff, and only a couple of speakers. I haven't used much of the speakers that were on it, but a set of speakers are in the top box there I've used, and on either side of me I've made up tower speakers and tower sets there, and they've got 4 12s in each side. So this place absolutely rocks. So loud for a workshop stereo. I absolutely love it. So this is awesome. So that's my new stereo. So I do use the actual same stereo system that's actually in it. You can see it there on that side there. This one, it's got a fridge and everything. I'm not using the fridge or anything like that. I do have a bigger one there, but I'm using this as my stereo. So I've got the 2 speakers up top and also 2 more there, as you can see in the boxes there. So this is where we're at. So these I've made changes for the good, I think. This whole move's been for a reason. Obviously everything is for a reason, guys. I don't see things for a bad thing. It's just the way things happen in life, I guess. But so we've upgraded absolutely everything that I've had. As you guys did see, I got rid of everything. I had to. I wasn't keeping things at 15 different places. I had everyone offering like help to store a car or store a motorbike or a go-kart or something. But as I said, I thanks for all those people, but I just didn't want bits and pieces everywhere, and then time comes I have to go get it, you know what I mean? So so I opted just not to do that, and just to get rid of everything and start from scratch. I just didn't know really exactly at the time of what I really wanted to do, but I think this is perfect what I've done now. So I'll take you for a look around, guys. This place is awesome now. It's changed lots. We've got lots of stuff to show you, let's do it, eh? All right, guys, well, here we have it. Here's the workshop. So let me show you some of the things, what we've got going on and whatnot. I've got a little tiny little bit of area over here. That stuff there still needs to go, but apart from that, a full workshop has been cleared. So let me show you through of exactly what we've got. You can still see the Civic over there. I just brought that here this morning. And directly behind me is that Porsche that we've been working on, putting that fuel tech on. So have a quick look. Absolutely beautiful car. And we've installed a fuel tech ECU on it to get it to run properly. Done our job, what we need to do. And everything's awesome. So been a yeah, awesome little project that I've been doing. Haven't actually been doing it all here though. This has only been here for probably about 4 days now at this place. It's been doing it all at my friend's house. Yeah, and then we got there. So, but nah, this guy is awesome. Yeah, it was a good job, got it done, and he'll be back because we've got to do a few more upgrades as well a bit later. All right, so you guys know the triple turbo. This is exactly how you guys seen it last time because it's had to go. All right, bike's exactly the same guys. It's 100% finished. You know, everything there. All right, I've got a few things I just did know. I do have another motor over here. All right, all the booster parts. This is all for the go-kart. All right, and finally, after all these years, I actually got myself a dyno, so I'm absolutely wrapped. Got to make some ramps up. I've only just got it in there the last few days, guys. Making some sort of a, you know, mini dyno cell there. Just getting it all incorporated. Still got to bolt things down and still got to do a couple of things there, but all in all, really happy. Got to get some lights put in and whatnot, but yeah, everything's come out really well. Yeah, got some new toolboxes for all the new stuff, all new tools and whatnot. Yeah, as you said, guys, I did say about my new stereo system here. As you can see from the bottom. All right, so we've got all the amps. That's the big power supply behind there, guys, and the fusion amps. Yeah, that's everything's come up. Put it in there, you can't even see it, don't even know it. And these things are loud as, so all big ported, big boxes. All right. Yeah, so we've got a few new things as well. You've got heaps of new tools. Brought heaps of new stuff. So finally got myself a parts washer as well, and this dirty old beast, big ass TIG welder. All right, fully water cooled. Yeah, this thing's awesome. So I've only just picked this up last couple of days. I've had to rebuild the torch and whatnot, but old school. But you guys know that I got rid of my old one. That was just a you know, 15 ampere, but this one here is 3-phase, all hooked up. I'm just gonna get some consumables and I'll be welding in no time. All right, so there's one more thing that I need to show you. All right, so I'm walking over. There's a big project that I got organized. Bit of a secret for a few people. Only a few people know about it as well. There was a type of little snip there that you might have seen it. But yeah, this is something that I've yeah, wanted for a little while. And the prices of these things are, I don't know, absolutely ridiculous at the moment. So I thought, you know what, might as well get one and yeah, make it a SNAIL TV one, eh? So let's have a look. All right, Toyota Supra. Full wide body kit on it. Obviously has not been finished. Yeah, you know, it's got a tiny little service. It's been outside, it's an outside car. Yeah, absolutely amazed. You know, wide kit because it's got 305s on the rear, guys. All right, big 11-inch top, big 11-inch wheels. This thing's massive. So all the interior is all good, clean as. Yes, automatic. All right, automatic because I want Fuel Tech to control the automatic as they do. But let's see under here, right? Let's see what we've got. All right, as you guys can see, it is a 2JZ GE though. All right, the best thing, this actually originally was, if you guys can see, all right, you see the VIN. All right, it was a GTE. So this shell is a RZ shell. So it is a turbo body. All right, so it has the big brakes, everything upgraded, but they have actually swapped. They wanted the engine for another build. They've put this one in here, banged it in here. I've grabbed it cheap, of course, and I am going to make it, let's call it the SNAIL TV one, you know, like, first things first, I'm gonna strip some stuff down. It's gonna be on next episode, guys, all right? I only had this for about a week now. Bars down there, it's got a few cracks in it. We've got to get that fixed. But biggest thing is to, yeah, definitely respray the car, and also a big turbocharger on it, of course, and make it all nice and clean. Gonna get rid of the spoiler. Actually, don't like the spoiler. You know, sometimes they look alright, but me, not a fan. But yeah, it's got everything, guys. It's nice and clean. It's a full car. So yeah, the only other thing it does not have is the rear seat bit up there, and also it is missing in here this little tiny little knob there to open up the console. All the dash, everything, it all works. It's actually all been painted actually. I think it's a they make them like that anyway, but yeah, everything works, everything. Yeah, I'm absolutely just gobsmacked that I got a clean one, and it's not too molested, you know. So really happy with everything. Yeah, obviously guys, it is a GE, so it's a non-turbo, but we'll be changing that ASAP. Removing the dizzy, putting a cam sensor in there, a crank sensor, making it on fuel tech, of course, and also a yeah, big whopping turbo, an inlet manifold, well, better one anyway. And we are going to be relocating the battery, getting rid of the fuse box, a few things all on the side, hide some wiring, because I want to paint inside the bays as well. So paint inside the bay, full, probably just going to do a closed door respray. I'm actually going to keep this white, guys. Yeah, that's just, I think it's just going to be easiest because it's all really nice. Inside the jams and all that are all still pretty nice. Nothing's really bad there. And also on the actual VIN itself, it is white there still. So, alright guys, we'll leave it at that. Thanks very much for everyone that's helped me out get to this place. Yeah, videos are starting to whop it in now. Alright, so I'll try to get a couple of videos a week for you guys, 2 to 3 videos a week. I'm keen as now. I'm keen. This is yeah, what it's gonna be. I've got projects now. I've got the other go-kart getting started at the moment as well. So things are happening then. As I did say, that's gonna be a roll racing go-kart. Gonna try to get that down there ASAP and start getting those things all done. But for now, we'll be working on the Supra. Just yeah, getting it all ready for paint, getting it ready for the engine bay stripped out, just so yeah, we can paint that as well, but also get ready for the turbo conversion on there as well. Few parts, if anyone knows anyone with some Supra parts and stuff like that, hit me up, let me know what you've got. I only need a couple of things. There's not too many things there that are actually missing. Yeah, this video, guys, is just a brief thing of what's happened so far in the last 3 months, just to, yeah, get myself where I am at the moment. It's been an absolutely nightmare, just, yeah, of not doing nothing, and I need to get myself busy, that's all. Doggy's still here, but Doggy won't be seeing Doggy in the workshop as much. He's got his own cage outside, and he comes in at night times. So yeah, so you won't be seeing him running around in the videos as much. You can hear him as much though. But anyway, I hope you guys stay on board. I really appreciate it. You guys liking and subscribing. Yeah, thanks for everyone that's yeah, said some good stuff about me and whatnot. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up, and very soon, if not today, gonna be tomorrow, I will be doing another video on the Supra, and let's get this thing all ready to go. So gonna get it yeah, ready for paint, as I said, and a few things like that. So I'll head it off. Thanks everyone for yeah, coming on board, staying on board. I got massive things happening, guys. Yeah, there's a lot of things I can't say at the moment because it's I like to keep things personal as well before things happen, and also you know, a little bit secretive, because I don't know, it's more cooler. I don't like telling everything out the bag straight away. But things are happening in the next couple of weeks, so you guys have seen what I've got right now, just wait for a couple of weeks and things, good things are happening. All right. As I said, the dyno will be happening as well. That's pretty much just for personal use only, guys. Helping out people as well, but also it's just awesome to have these, you know, having these projects finished and be able to put them on dyno and seeing exactly what it can do, and also to be able to tune them on a rolling road. That's all. So that's the main thing, really. So we don't have to go out to the track and yeah, be adjusting everything out the track. So yeah, that's it, guys. All right, so really appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next video, which will be very soon, and thanks very much. See you, peeps.